An alkyl halide C4H9Br reacts with alcoholic KOH and forms an alkene. So dehydrobromination takes place. The formula of the alkene is C4H8, nothing but butene, which reacts with bromine to give a dibromide. So C4H8Br2, 1,2,R,2,3 dibromobutane is the product C. The compound C is converted into a gas D upon reacting with sodamide. So sodamide, we know this is also used for the dehydrohalogenation, but powerful base, we can remove 2 molecules of HBr. So after the removal of 2 molecules of HBr, we can get C4H6. This should be butane. The product D must be butane. Butane is a gas at room temperature. So D, another hint is there. D gives a precipitate upon passing through ammonical silver nitrate. So we know terminal alkynes only. Terminal alkynes only on passing through ammonical silver nitrate produces precipitate. Silver alkynide is the precipitate. So C4H6 we have to find out the structural formula of the compound D. It should have triple bond at the terminal carbon. So one by one we can write the reactions. C4H9Br is the A. When it is reacted with alcoholic KOH, dehydrohalogenation takes place. It gives C4H8 alkene. On heating, on reaction with bromine to give dibromide, C4H8Br2. You remember, 2 bromines are on adjacent carbons. 2 bromines are on adjacent carbon. This is nothing but vicinal dibromide. So C is vicinal dibromide. When it is heated with sodamide, sodamide is very strong base. It can remove 2 hydrogen bromide molecules, since 2 bromines are on adjacent carbons. So between those 2 carbons, triple bond is developed. C4H6 is the D. And then 2 HBr molecules are produced. And a hint given is with ammonical silver nitrate, ammonium hydroxide plus AgNO3, that is ammonical silver nitrate. With ammonical silver nitrate, only terminal alkyne reacts with ammonical silver nitrate to give a black precipitate, C minus Ag plus. So remaining carbons we can guess, as this is C, Ag, the remaining carbons CH2, CH3. That's why you remove Ag and put hydrogen, we can get the D, CH3, CH2, C triple bond CH. So D is nothing but 1-butane. D is 1-butane. So this type of roadmap questions, as many as possible, you have to do, then only you can get the confidence. So correct answer regarding this. So here only 2 types of alkynes are there, terminal alkyne, non-terminal alkyne. So the correct answer is terminal alkyne.